that means recording, right?
Right.
Okay. Now, every time you splash a puddle, I miss it. That wasn't bad. Do it again. Because this one's gonna last more than 10 minutes, huh? Oh! Oh, maybe out the side? Okay, so we're in a lake. We're in a lake. Well, look, it's going right up over to the sidewalk onto the grass. It's like a tide. It's a tide.
God, it's a rental car.